Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for joining me today. So this is the first video in over a week. As you can still hear, I'm still pretty sick with COVID. I did put it on my community tab, but I wanted to do this video because I got this package just after I was sick. Basically what happened, I did that video, my experiences with Abbott Lyon or something along those lines, and it was just my experience with the company and the necklace and how it kept flipping over. If you've not seen the video, I'll put it in the info card so you can go and see it. And it wasn't me trying to be derogatory about the company. Anyway, someone high up in the company saw the video and has kindly looked into it and said that there was a problem with that particular style of necklace, and has said to me that I could choose a free necklace up to the value of £79, and that was just so generous, I think. Abbott Lyon do pride themselves on giving good customer service. Now, I didn't obviously know this until they reached out to me. They was very apologetic. I want to show you what I chose, because I've actually got my named personalised necklace that I chose from Amazon. I don't know if I'm going to wear them together, so I don't know if I'm going to style them together, but I'll show you what I chose from Abbott Lyon. So it comes as a two-piece, which I didn't know, and because it wasn't really a personalised necklace, it was like a necklace and then an initial, they could send it out straight away. So I got it really quick. So from ordering it, when did I order it? I think I told them that I didn't order it, but I told them I wanted this style of necklace on the Friday, and I feel like it was with me on the following Tuesday. So by that point I was already sick. So we'll show you the necklace first. It comes in a little box like that. So it looks like that. It doesn't have the pull thing like the other necklace did. I mean, I have looked at it. It is pretty fine, the necklace. So we've got the care card that you get with all the necklaces and bracelets and whatever you order, and then inside there's some like tissue. I apologise about my voice, guys. I know it's very it's looking tangled, which I hope's not the case. Oh, it is. But anyway, it's got like those beads on it there, which is absolutely pretty. So that's the necklace. I'm hoping I can sort it out because I can't be doing with a tangled necklace. Then I'll show you the initial. The initial comes in here, and then that's just what it looks like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and untangle that from there, and I'll come back in a second. Phew, I'm going to have to be extra careful. It's such a fine chain, but it really is stunning. I think I'm going to put a t-shirt on now and I'm going to try it on. Take my other necklaces off. It doesn't look like an 18 to 20 inch chain though. To me, that looked like a 16 inch chain, and I've got it on. It is on the last hook. It looks very short. So let me just put a t-shirt on and we'll see what it looks like on. Right guys, so I put the necklace on. I'm hoping that you can see it. If you can't, I'll try and get a picture and insert it into the video. There's no way that is an 18 to 20 necklace. I think the sizes were 14 to 16, 18 to 20 and 20 to 22. I don't feel like it's a 16. It just feels, it doesn't feel long enough. It might be an 18 to 20. Like my other necklace with my Pandora charm on sits about here, and I thought it was going to do the same because like I said, I've got that Amazon necklace and that's a size 18 to 20, so it would be interesting to see where that's going to fall. So yeah, I don't think I'll be able to wear them together then in that case, because I wanted this one to fall slightly longer. I can always wear the A from this on the Pandora charm and kind of just wear this by itself as like a choker style necklace. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but if I layer too many necklaces, I feel like this is going to completely tangle because it is so fine. Right, so I'm back. Maybe it is an 18 inch chain. I just thought it was going to be a little bit longer. The thickness of it is very fine. I do really like these beads on it though. It is super pretty. And what I could do is I could make it even shorter so it's up the neck like that, because it's on one of those extender chains and it doesn't look like the A is going to flip over. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. I'd like to say thank you to Abbott Lyon for reaching out to me. I really do appreciate that you've let me choose this necklace, and it wasn't a replacement piece because, show you, if you've watched the other video you'll remember that I got this as a replacement piece. Let me put it on. Sometimes it can be a bit tricky to put on by yourself. So as I was saying, it wasn't a replacement piece. I'd already chosen my replacement piece. So as far as Abbott Lyon is concerned, I feel like they've done their job in letting me order it. So yeah, I got the matching bracelet from the Stacey Solomon line. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. And it doesn't flip over. I mean, it's really pretty, to be honest. So that was that. I didn't expect any more communication with Abbott Lyon, so I really do appreciate them reaching out. Because in the video I did say I wasn't happy. I didn't really want a bracelet because I've got my Pandora bracelets. I wanted a necklace, so I appreciate them reaching out, and they did recommend a certain style of necklace. It's called the carry necklace, which was made big by obviously Sex and the City, wasn't it? And that's the kind of necklace I was initially going to go for, but because I'd ordered from Amazon, I just thought to myself, well, that's not really going to go because I'm getting one, and I saw one that was really pretty. So you could get it in silver, gold or rose gold, and it said your name but like in a drop down. I'm going to leave it in the video. It was so pretty. And if I hadn't already ordered the one from Amazon, I would have definitely tried to get that. I've seen one as well that I want to buy, probably in Black Friday sale. I know I said I wasn't going to get any more from Abbott Lyon, but this has made me feel differently. There's a necklace that on the model goes with this necklace. I did want it a little bit longer, but that's fine. And it's kind of like a choker style necklace, so that one would probably come here. And yeah, I feel like I'm going to get that in the Black Friday sale. Now I'd like to say once again to Abbott Lyon, thank you so much for sending this out to me. I really do appreciate it. And guys, if you've not checked Abbott Lyon out, I'm going to leave the link in the description. They're always having sales, 2 for 1 and 25% off on things like that. They've had a recent spring sale. So yeah, I'll leave that in the description down below in case you want to check it out. Let me just preface this by saying Abbott Lyon don't know I'm making this video. They've asked me to make this video. That wasn't the terms of them gifting me this. They just gifted it to me to make amends for obviously the Stacey Solomon necklace flipping over. They've said that there's a fault on it, so I can only imagine that they're going to look into that necklace now. I appreciate the email that was sent to me at the time and also the necklace, and I'm going to leave this here. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. I really do appreciate it. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.